Morning. I made a little video the other day in hopes that I will be able to offer a little bit of help to people concerning the weather, just in case you weren't aware that there was going to be a really big drop in temperature. And I really do hope that has helped people with fleecing over the plants and protecting them, taking them indoors, etc. Especially now. It's Thursday morning and I'll show you. As you can see, it's snowing. I mean, they did say the temperature was going to drop down to -2, but they never said there were a chance of snow, which is one of the reasons why I needed to make that video the other day, in case people had got tender crops in the greenhouse, or indeed things planted outside in pots. And it just gives you that option, that heads up, to cover things up. This is UK Zone 4, Derbyshire. And nobody saw this coming, did they? Let's face it. I think tomorrow it's 1st of April. We've had a week of really good sunshine. 64 degrees on certain days. And then all of a sudden, this. And that's why I always said that British weather is so unpredictable. The greenhouse door has froze shut. Can't even open that door, it's froze. And there's ice on the windows as well. It's ridiculous. Like I say, I can't even open the greenhouse door at the bottom of the garden because the door's froze shut. But I do know that I actually went in there the other day, the day that I put up the warning on this channel about this bad weather on its way, and I fleeced over the potato pots and things like that that needed doing, and it's a good thing that I did. So that just goes to prove how unpredictable British weather is, even approaching 1st of April tomorrow. Just when you think you've broke through that winter barrier and you're on your way. Never ever trust. Always plan ahead and cover everything up. And I hope that you did, and that all your plants is perfectly fine now. This is going to last till Friday, by the way, so don't think that after this passes we're all good. They've still predicted the same thing to be happening Friday night, so let's see what the weekend brings. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. You all take care, look after your plants.